All right, let's go on to the next one. So we have this little masterpiece. This was the but highest engagement as far as the design on our Pinterest. If you haven't gone check it out, if you're just now seeing it. But what would personal stylist Mikara Reid rate this design? This is the highest saved. This is the most saved, highest engagement, highest impression on our Pinterest for the past. I want to say we did it for 30 days. So for the past 30 days, but it was actually more than that. I would rate this a 6. It's okay. I think the color is not flattering for me, but it's not ugly. It's not ugly. It's definitely a vibe. It does look good on her skin tone, but I don't know. I think it's the color. The color kind of just throws it off. What do you guys think? But whoever the nail tech is of this design, kudos to you. Check out the video with the analytics, because this is definitely this is getting the girls the highest attraction. And I'm giving you guys ideas. All right. All right, so let's do something a little bit different since we did the ombre. I'm going to try to find an outfit and to keep things very easy and just minimalistic and kind of just still kick it with you guys. We are just going to go on our Pinterest because I post a lot. Well, not just me and my team. We post a lot of stuff. This hat right here looks kind of cute if you are just looking for something to match with your nails as far as like a beach day. But I'm thinking, it's wedding season. Let's find something maybe like formal, or we could just probably keep it beach wear. But I don't think I'm gonna find something in here. But this is the process of how stylists need to work. We have to look through a lot of different designs, be in touch with a lot of designers, be abreast to it so that we can align stuff. This can be it, but I'm just like, I don't think that would go with that ombre design in mind. I don't think I'm gonna find nothing in this one either, because this brand aesthetic just doesn't flow. But yeah, this is the process where we spend a lot of time. I know a lot of people do not glamorize it or showcase it, but you definitely, as a stylist, you look through a lot of stuff. You can have your assistant do it, but at the same time, your assistant doesn't have the experience, the eye. They weren't there taking notes about the client, what they want, or if you've had that working relationship already established. There's just so many little nuances. This can be a brand's, but it doesn't really fit the aesthetic. This has like the color palette, but we are doing summer. It's not spring, summer. It's summer. It's hot. So, but yeah, this is the process, and I'm just doing like minimal. This is very like minimal shortcut type of ordeal. I'm only using my platform so that you guys could kind of just hone in and see. I think this is more of the aesthetic that we can go for. Yeah, that right there. This. Yes. With the ombre nails, yes. So just to recap, these are the nails that was the highest, and I would pair this with this little number. So yes, personal stylist, putting it together, doing virtual styling very quickly, just on utilizing our Pinterest platform, because we post every week, sometimes every day, depending on the season. This is summertime. Summertime is very slow for us when it comes to styling projects. But you guys see the process. And I would I would match those nails with this outfit. Not with the shoes, but we just keeping it simple. You guys let me know if you're feeling it. Let's go on to the next nails.